it's time for Moments in Medicine Live, a live broadcast we bring you on Facebook every week, exploring different topics with our experts here at Nebraska Medicine. And today's topic, one that's certainly timely this time of year, sweat. So if you sweat a lot, what can you do about it? My guest today is Katie Bowling, aesthetic nurse from Dreams Med Spa. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.
Okay, just so you guys know, we're talking about a really interesting procedure today called miraDry. If you have any questions, make sure you post those down in the comment section. And before we get started, we just want to remind you the information contained in this live chat is for informational purposes only. So if you have any questions about your health or your medical condition, direct those towards your doctor. So Katie, thank you for being here.
You are welcome. Thanks for having me.
I think sweat is something we're all a little bit more aware of, especially with some of the weather that we've been having lately.
Very warm.
Some people are especially sweaty, and it's an embarrassing problem. It can affect your confidence, and there's not a lot that we can do about it, or is there? So we're talking about miraDry today. What is it? What does it do?
miraDry is an FDA-approved procedure. It's non-invasive. We do it right here in the clinic, and it is just going to help with excess sweating. So,
who's a good candidate for miraDry? Like, if somebody's listening there and like, yeah, I kind of sweat a lot, how do you know if this is something that would actually work for you?
People that sweat a lot are diagnosed with something called hyperhidrosis, and hyperhidrosis is just excess sweating. 2 to 3 million Americans suffer from it. So those are the people that usually seek out miraDry, but we really can do miraDry on anyone 18 or older that just doesn't want to sweat anymore, and they maybe don't want to wear deodorant, they want to go all natural. But mostly we see people with hyperhidrosis come in.
Now you just said something key, like I walked in here today and I'm like, did I put deodorant on? I think it's one of those things that's like, do we put it on, do we reapply it? After you have this procedure, do you still need to wear deodorant?
I would say that people that have hyperhidrosis and after they have a procedure, they will probably still want to wear it. It's going to be significantly better. So 82% decrease in sweating after you have the procedure. The people that don't have hyperhidrosis sometimes can get away with not even wearing deodorant anymore. So.
And then you don't even have to worry about whether you put it on or not.
Yes.
You're totally covered. 82% reduction is pretty amazing.
That's amazing.
I think when it comes to any of these kinds of procedures, people are curious about how long does it take? Do I have to have it a bunch of times? Does it hurt? So can you walk me through what the procedure itself is like?
Yeah, so we want you to have a consult when you come in. First we're going to do a consult, and then we can schedule your procedure. The miraDry has microwave technology, so what it's doing is it's killing all of our sweat glands and odor-causing glands in the underarm. The procedure itself is about 2 hours. We're going to bring you in, and we are going to clean your armpits off. We want you to be well shaved when you come in. Clean you off, and then we're going to do some numbing. We're going to put a layer of fluid underneath your armpit to protect all of your nerves. And then after that, that's really the only painful part. And then after that, we do the procedure, and it takes about 2 hours to get done.
How fast will people see results from this?
You're gonna notice right away that your sweating's better, but right afterward, you're swollen, we're kind of bruised, and you're icing for about 24 hours. So I feel like within the first week, people really notice that their sweating's better.
Is there any potential side effects?
So swelling, you're gonna feel like you almost have softball size balls underneath your armpits.
Very temporary.
It doesn't look like that, but it does kind of feel like that. You can have bruising, you're going to have redness, your underarms are just going to kind of look yucky for a little while. We put a temporary tattoo on them while we're doing the procedure. So, and every single side effect that they have found has resolved over 12 weeks, usually a lot faster than that.
Over 12 weeks. So if I do this, am I done sweating until I'm 80? I mean, does this work forever?
It's 82% reduction after one treatment.
Okay.
So I'm not going to say every single person with hyperhidrosis only needs one. There are a select few that would need maybe one more, but most everybody needs one.
And you just said every person, so I think a lot of times we think about women getting med spa treatments, but this is the kind of treatment that could appeal to both genders.
Oh yeah, we have lots of men that come in that are just sick of sweating, sick of changing their shirts, sick of wearing dark colors to hide their sweat. So yeah.
Sick of ruining clothes. You think about guys in summer that have to wear suits and ties every day and what their dry cleaning bills are like.
Amazing.
Hey, in no time at all, you could reduce those dry cleaning bills.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to come in for a consultation, what can they expect?
You're going to meet with one of our professionals. It's nurses and nurse practitioners that do this procedure, and we're just going to walk you through everything, take you through the steps. talk about costs, talk about the things that you need to do beforehand and after procedure.
A lot of the times the staff members here, you guys do these things yourselves because you don't want to try the procedures on other people, not know what they're going to experience. So what's it been like for you to have gone through miraDry?
Amazing. Because when I wear deodorant, it smells like deodorant at the end of the day. So, and then I can choose not to if I don't want to. So yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Well, if you are interested in finding out more about miraDry, we're located here today at Dreams Med Spa out by Village Point. You can call for that free consultation, or you can look for information online. The website is surgeryvp.com, or you can always call 402-596-4000. And if you do have any questions about this procedure, even though we're about to wrap up the live broadcast, you can go ahead and type those in between and we'll get some answers from Katie later. So thank you so much for your time today. I kind of want to smell her armpit, but that would be so inappropriate right now. But trust me, I'm sure it works well.
It smells good.
Yeah, see, I believe you. You never have to worry about, did I put on deodorant, and just think of what you could save in dry cleaning and the way your confidence could go up as well. So thank you for your time today.
You're so welcome.
Thanks to all of you for watching, and we'll see you back here next week for the next Moments in Medicine.